If you haven't signed up for the RIA convention in April this year, I urge you to do so immediately. Hotel rooms are filling up fast. I also hope you'll attend the Restoration CrossCheck Preconvention Bootcamp. It's called Strategic Strikes to Accelerate Your Restoration Business. We have Jeff Taxier, a former claims manager of Allstate, who's going to be teaching you advanced strategies for adjuster relations and negotiations. Anthony Nelson will be teaching you how to customize defensible restoration price lists. My partner Angela Byramai and I will be teaching you how to accelerate your restoration collections. If you sign up for the boot camp before this Friday, February 2nd, I'll throw in a free copy of the book on restoration collections, which is my top 10 tips on how to improve your collections. The retail price of the book is $395, but the fee for the boot camp is only $299. If you've already signed up for the convention, no problem. Just pull up the email you received from meetings@restorationindustry.org. There's a link there to open up your registration and add the Restoration CrossCheck Pre-Convention Bootcamp to your registration. If you'd like to learn more about the bootcamp, please log on to restorationcrosscheck.com/bootcamp. And I look forward to seeing everybody in Dallas.